In this video, we will be looking at 3D layers. The 3D layer feature allows you to organize and manage pattern pieces with a stacking order. The feature is useful when working with garments that have multiple pieces stacked on top of one another, such as patch pockets, plackets, and cuffs. It is also useful when dressing multiple garments together in one file. For example, a jacket on top of a t-shirt. The 3D layer feature uses the following logic. Layers with lower number values are closer to the body. Layers with higher number values are further from the body. By default, all pattern pieces are assigned to layer 2. Layer 0 is the closest to the body. Adjusting 3D layers is important because it ensures that there are no collisions where we stitch and drape patterns on top of one another. For example, we would like to create this t-shirt with a heart-shaped patch pocket and a pocket flap. In this case, the patch pocket is stitched on top of the bodice. Therefore, the pocket should be a higher layer number than the bodice. The pocket flap is stitched onto the bodice as well, but should be draped on top of the pocket bag. Thus, it should have a layer higher than the patch pocket. Since the default layer for all patterns is 2, we can either reduce the layers of the pocket bag and bodice or increase the layers on the pocket bag and the flap. Let's increase the pocket bag and flap layer. To change a layer of a piece, we use the Select tool, then go to the 2D window and click the piece. After that, we go to the Context view. 3D layer is displayed in the Draping Properties section. We simply type in the value we want for the piece. We will change the pocket bag to layer 3 and the pocket flap to layer 4. Note that we can also change the 3D layers in the Arrange mode. Let's add the pockets to the 3D garment. The pocket has been stitched and arranged. We can also use 3D layers to style a garment. For instance, we can adjust the layers to tuck in or out the t-shirt on this outfit. To tuck out the t-shirt, the bodice pattern pieces must be higher than the highest layer of the shorts. We check the 3D layer in the shorts by selecting the pattern pieces. Then we change the 3D layer of the garment as required. Remember that because we increased the bodice layer, we must also increase the patch pocket and flap layers. We dress the garment to see the results. In this lesson, you have learned about 3D layers and how we use them to produce the best 3D simulation results. For more information, visit support.browseware.com.